I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me? What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular?
Hey guys, long time no see. Um, so before we get into this video, I just want to know what y'all thinking about the Nephilims in Miami. What is that about? Because everything is like, sounds like we coming to the end times around here. If you agree, let me know below. If you don't, let go. Hey guys. Okay, so I got these from DoorDash through Target. Well, through from Target through DoorDash. Let's put it like that. I guess they're called Goldfinger GD17. They're like a chrome press on. So it gives you the directions back here. Go ahead and clean your nail with acetone base polish remover. Select the correct sizes for your nails so they fit just perfectly or whatnot. So that's how they gonna do it, but this is how I like to do it. So what you gonna do is go ahead and get your e-file, but if you don't have an e-file, go ahead and use a regular file. Yes, yeah, so the last couple of videos I've been doing press on nails because I've been lazy. Seriously. But I promise soon we'll do some acrylic nails or whatever you want. Just leave me a comment below on any special requests. And yeah, y'all gotta give me ideas. Like, what am I gonna know to do unless y'all help me figure that out? Because I'm here for y'all. I'm literally here for your entertainment purposes. So let me know what y'all want to see. Okay, so I left it on 5 seconds and it didn't even stay on there. So what I realized later was that you actually have to hold it down for like 10, 15 to 20 seconds. Because, yeah, it'll work if you really need to use the glue. But I ended up doing it a different way, so, and they lasted longer, but one of them actually, and I should have put more glue than that on, so, yeah. So if you want to go ahead and do it this way, we're going to use the bubblegum gel by Email Couture. Before we use that, we're going to go ahead and put on the base coat gel. Put the base coat gel on first. I got this little handy dandy UV LED light that just clips on to your desk, and it's really handy when you're doing this type of stuff. Now make sure you don't have your gel sitting in front of this light and it's pushed off way to the side, so you don't want to turn around and it all be hard and you ain't gonna be able to use it no more. So don't put your base coat gel there by it, the light, like it all needs to be out of view from the purple lights. All right, and now we come back and we're gonna have them all done. Period poo. Yes, so if y'all have any questions, make sure y'all leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the Nephilim 2 honey, because yeah, it's something else. But they say you never know when he gonna come. So if he come and you ain't ready, what you gonna do? I think we need to get ready. Anyways, y'all, from my heart to yours, love you. Talk to you later. Bye.